Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P2653, is related to the rocker arm oil control solenoid in the Honda Civic from 2016 to 2021. This error occurs when the circuit indicates a low voltage, preventing the solenoid from functioning correctly. The rocker arm oil control solenoid is responsible for adjusting the oil flow to the rocker arms, which in turn manages the variable valve timing, optimizing engine performance and efficiency. If the voltage is inadequate, it can lead to poor engine performance, as the rocker arms cannot adjust properly. The solenoid is typically located near the top of the engine and is connected to the powertrain control module, PCM, for monitoring and control. When facing this issue, it's crucial to follow the proper diagnostic steps to pinpoint the root cause of the low-voltage circuit failure. DTC P2653 signifies a problem with the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit showing low voltage. This can lead to impaired engine management performance by not allowing proper timing adjustments. When the vehicle's engine runs, this solenoid modulates the oil flow pressure that can significantly impact variable valve timing systems. The terms confirmed and pending in this context refer to how the trouble code is recorded by the vehicle's onboard diagnostics. A confirmed DTC is actively detected, while a pending DTC might indicate sporadic failure. Understanding the implications of this code is crucial for conducting effective troubleshooting and rectifying potential performance issues. Several factors can cause DTC P2653. Firstly, poor electrical connections, including corroded or loose terminals, can cause insufficient voltage to reach the rocker arm oil control solenoid, triggering this DTC. Secondly, a defective rocker arm oil control solenoid can lead to low voltage readings, as an internal short or failure can prevent normal operation. Lastly, issues with the powertrain control module, PCM, itself, such as a fault in programming or internal damage, can misinterpret the signals necessary for proper solenoid operation. Each of these potential causes should be methodically checked during diagnostics. When DTC P2653 is present, several noticeable symptoms can arise. Drivers might experience poor engine performance, characterized by rough idling, hesitations during acceleration, or decreased power on inclines. This issue can also lead to increased fuel consumption due to an inability to effectively manage the engine's timing. Additionally, warning lights, including the check engine light, may illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to an issue in the engine management system. Recognizing these symptoms is vital for early diagnosis and repair, which can save time and money. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2653 involves verifying the problem with the correct procedure. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode. This indicates that the electrical systems are powered, allowing you to engage the diagnostic tools. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System HDS to clear the existing DTC. This process resets the system and enables you to observe if the DTC reoccurs when the vehicle is started. Lastly, turn the vehicle to off, lock mode. Then restart the engine. After starting, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS again. If DTC P2653 is indicated, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. If not, the issue may be intermittent, warranting further inspection of connections and terminals. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P2653, you will conduct an internal resistance check of the rocker arm oil control solenoid. First, ensure the vehicle is turned to the off-lock mode for safety. Disconnect the 2P connector from the rocker arm oil control solenoid. With the solenoid disconnected, measure the resistance between the specified test points using a multimeter. You should find a resistance reading between 14.6 and 16.2 ohms at room temperature. This range indicates that the solenoid is functioning correctly, whereas readings outside this range necessitate replacement of the rocker arm oil control valve. Accurate resistance measurements are essential to diagnose if the solenoid itself is at fault. The third troubleshooting step targets potential wire shorts within the circuit. Begin by jumping the SCS line using the HDS, which stands for the SRS collection system line, and allow the vehicle to sit for over a minute to stabilize the system. Following this, disconnect the PCM connector number 1, which is typically labeled 96P. This step isolates the main control module from the system, allowing for accurate checks on the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit. Next, check for continuity between test points on the disconnected PCM connector and body ground. If continuity exists, it indicates a short in the VTSEX wire, which connects the solenoid to the PCM. If continuity is not present, the wire itself may be intact, and further authorized service information may be needed for additional diagnostics. After completing the troubleshooting steps for DTC P2653, it is crucial to verify that the repairs have been successful. Start by ensuring that any previously recorded DTCs have been cleared from the system using the HDS. Following this, a test drive is necessary to assess the operation of the vehicle under normal driving conditions. During this test drive, monitor the engine performance, paying close attention to any symptoms that previously indicated the DTC. If the DTC does not reappear and the engine operates smoothly, the repairs have been verified to be effective. Regular monitoring and testing following repairs help ensure that the issues do not recur and confirm system integrity. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P2653, regular preventive maintenance is essential. Start by frequently inspecting electrical connections associated with the rocker arm oil control solenoid and PCM to ensure there is no corrosion or looseness, which can often lead to electrical failures. Conducting regular checks on the function of the solenoid can also catch issues before they evolve into significant problems. Additionally, it is critical to use high-quality parts for any replacements or repairs. Some standard components can lead to further faults down the line. Implementing these maintenance strategies will enhance the durability and reliability of the rocker arm oil control system and contribute to optimal engine performance over time. In conclusion, troubleshooting DTC P2653 requires following a structured approach to diagnose the rocker arm oil control solenoid issues effectively. By verifying the problem, checking solenoid resistance, and inspecting wiring continuity, you can isolate and rectify the fault. Regular maintenance and quality checks are essential aspects in preventing future occurrences of DTCs. After repairs, it's important to monitor engine performance closely to ensure successful resolution of the issues. Overall, maintaining awareness of these corrective actions can significantly enhance the longevity of the vehicle's engine and its associated systems, leading to more dependable operation. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.